What's the meaning of complement? Complement. Complement.
Complement. Complement. In general, complement refers to something that completes or enhances something else. In mathematics, the complement of a set refers to all the elements that are not in that set. In grammar, the complement is a word or phrase that completes the meaning of a subject or object. In genetics, the complement of a DNA strand refers to the opposite sequence of nucleotides that can pair up with it. Ultimately, the concept of complement involves filling in something that is missing or necessary to make a whole.